play the key role for laboratory. So operation and maintenance, what we will do operation and maintenance means whatever the instrument are in place, you do calibrate as per their frequency. Correct. There is a standard uh, frequency in place. You also do your critical instrument, do the appropriate assessment on this. Based on the criticality, you put the frequency for the calibration. Another key things is the preventive maintenance. So what exactly in the preventive maintenance? You need to be check that cleaning of filter, cleaning of your duct. These are all these things, the preventive maintenance, cleaning of HVAC fan, all these things should be in place. So there is a plenum filter, you have and riser filter, remove and wash and remove the old dust. So these are all these things comes under preventive maintenance of the HVAC system. And do the revalidation and requalification. So this is something what you do the revalidation requalification. So whatever exactly you are buying equipment instrument, that time you do the one-time validation. You say yes, everything is excellent, but routine use in whatever exactly happening, you have to be create the internal system to revalidate it and requalify it. So what exactly you need to requalify? Is reconfirm the temperature. You do the mapping maybe yearly once to get into that. Yes, all the thing temperature is monitor. Same way you check the relative humidity, so differential pressure. So these are all these things you need to be checked. And supply air qualities and quality air quantity. Supply, what are the quantity of air looking for inside? So some test name the air changes or air velocity. You should have to be changed. And return air or exhaust air quantities. So that also you need to be calculate and get in the air changes. And room air changes rate. This is SE air changes per hour. That also you need to be work and put into that understanding during that routine requalification and maintenance. Room pressure, differential pressure also you have to monitor daily. Temperature also monitoring the daily inside the lab. So then second part for the air flow pattern test. So basically, this is very critical role play in the our biseptic cabinet, fume mode, LAF. These are airflow direction. So if something airflow direction is due to my fan speed and all these things, the airflow direction changes. Completely air getting contaminated to the environment. So unidirectional airflow velocities. So as you consider that airflow should be the unidirectional, and that have to be checked. Then containment system velocity. So you have to be check the whatever the system you are using that you should have to be once you intend the velocity should be 75 to 120 fits per minute. So that have to be checked. This is something is intact. Then HEPA filter penetration test. This is the integrity HEPA filter integrity test. Room particle count test. So you can also check that particle count inside the room. So what are the particles and all these things? Number of particle means 0.5 micron some number and 5 micron some number. Based on the our area classification, ISO standard is defined. And some cases, some of the material is during preventive maintenance, material of construction is color changes, remove and also do the painting and all these things. And some needed for the routine microbiological count. So whatever the microbiological need for this biseptic cabinet, if there is a HEPA filter leakage, so count is increased and all these things stuff can happen. And proper dedusting and dust extraction system. So these are all key preventive maintenance stops need to be followed during the routine operation and maintenance. So this is very critically need to be maintained when you work for the state of art lab. These things should be working and make it lab is in the state of art.